How to integrate Jira with Slack. So here from the left hand side, we will scroll down until we see the option to add apps, and we will simply click on add apps here, and we want to search for Jira. So it's going to look like this. You will have the Jira integration, you have the Jira Slack integration, and also Jira Cloud. So you can click on either to add. I'm going to do Jira Cloud here for the sake of this tutorial. It's going to take us to this page where we have to select add to Slack and allow it permissions. So after this, it will connect our accounts or ask for verification. So we need to click on proceed. And Jira Cloud is now authenticated to your Slack, and we need to go to Slack. It's going to redirect us to our Slack, and I'm going to show you where you can find it. So again, if we scroll down, you will see Jira here, and you can easily create an event. You can get help by typing out /Jira help. You can get some or give feedback, and also connect a project by typing out /Jira connect, or just clicking on connect project here, and it will take you through the process of connecting your project. As you can see right here, it will click on, if we click on this drop down menu, then we can select the project itself. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.